Okay, hello again. We are ready for video 1.2. The directions on these problems would say something like simplify without using a decimal. No decimals, because I know you guys can pick up your calculator, put in the square root of 50, and you get a decimal of 7 point something. But I don't want any decimals. I want to simplify it by using what's called perfect squares. My list of perfect squares goes like this. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and you can keep going. It's going to be 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, and so forth. But what you do on problems like this is you ask yourself, what is the biggest number that I have written in blue over there? The biggest number from that list that will divide into 50. The biggest number that will divide into 50. The answer is this 25. 25 times what makes 50? That's 2. So I'm going to write this square root of 25 times the square root of 2. Again, because 25 times 2 is my 50. One more step. That is the square root of 25. You should know that to be 5. And I just bring down the square root of 2. There's my answer. It's now simplified. So this next one, 80. What's the biggest number from this list that'll divide into 80? I'll give you a hint. It's not 4. It's not the 4. It is rather the 16. I'll circle it in red. 16 times 5 make 80. 4 will go into 80, but it's not the biggest. The 16 is the biggest. The square root of 16 is 4. Bring down the square root of 5. There's my answer. 4 square root of 5. Also red, 4 radical 5. The second one, 128. Let's write my list here. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. I think 64 is going to be the biggest one. 64 times 2. So square root of 64, square root of 2. 64 times 2 makes 128. And then square root of 64 is a regular 8 with the square root of 2. There it is. There it is simplified. One more. What's the biggest number from this list that'll go into 175? I think 25. 25 times what? Times 7 makes a 175. The square root of 25 is a regular 5 with the square root of 7 added onto it. And there's your answer. 5 square root of 7 will be that answer. Is that it? Yeah. That's it for that problem. Thanks for watching. Good luck.